Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a TikTok tutorial on how to increase your sample score. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is click on the Your Orders section. It will be on your profile tab in between like your bio and follower count and your videos and stuff. So once you just go ahead and click on Your Orders, and then you'll see all of this stuff right here. But on the top there, you'll see a section that says samples. And then you'll see your sample score here, which mine isn't the best. And to go ahead and increase this, you can post with samples. You can do more post frequency and for sales generation. So if you put stuff from your creator marketplace onto your account and you advertise it and people buy those items, your sample score will increase. If you post with the sample and that sample item is able to get sales as well, your score will increase. And this is good because you can get more and more free stuff from companies until like you just get a bunch of free stuff to make stuff about in the store, or well, make videos about in the store all the time. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Other than that, have a wonderful day. Thank you.